this has got lots of writing that I want you to see, so I want it to be a little bigger on the screen. So I'm going to leave it this way. All right, so we're gonna just do a high level, and you should understand a lot of these terms. As we started the course back, 2.5 months ago now, you wouldn't have, but you should get them now. So remember, we're talking about freshwater systems that include really all these things we have here, with one more. And I'll ask the question. Again, some of you haven't been to all these, so you won't. There's one other kind of aquatic freshwater ecosystem. That's what we're dealing with. It's not described here. So rivers and streams are typically defined as just a small river. It's like the definition, you hear about, well, what's the difference between a boat and a ship? Well, I heard back a long time ago that a boat is something that's small enough you can put it on a ship. So like a dinghy or a raft or something, if you put that on a bigger boat, then that bigger boat's called a ship. Sort of the same thing with rivers and streams. It's a little bit up to any individual's definition as to what becomes a river and what is a stream. This is a great picture because what it does show is where this is at. These running water situations, rivers/streams, are in very low gradient flat land, and we're going to talk a lot more about the physicality of streams in a couple sessions in the future. But the streams are very, what we call meandering, and they form what are called oxbows, which this is an oxbow right here where my cursor's going, where it's making a 180-degree turn. Here's another oxbow. So the river goes one direction and then turns 180 degrees and goes the other one. Here's a really big oxbow right here in this river. But these are rivers and streams. We have wetlands. We have groundwater. We have estuaries, which are just those areas that are close to the salt water itself and that actually usually have influence from the seawater. So they're usually a little more saline and there's tidal influence. And then finally we have lakes and ponds, which we see over here.